Hey there, folks! Welcome back to the Error Genie channel. I've been receiving numerous messages about how to load booking codes on the 1xBT app, as many of you find it challenging to stake the games without knowing where to enter the codes. Well, in today's video, I'm here to help you with that. Once you open the 1xBT app, you'll see a screen like this. To enter the booking code, simply tap on the three vertical lines located on the left-hand side. Then, scroll down and select Bet Slip. Let me clear these codes first. Now, on the Bet Slip page, you'll find the booking codes that have been released. Look at the status bar at the top, and you'll see three dots on the right-hand side. Tap on those dots, and you'll see a delete icon and another icon with a box and an arrow on the right-hand side. Tap on the box icon. By tapping on the box icon, you'll see the options to download or save the Bet Slip. If you have a booking code that someone shared, or if you trust someone's predictions, tap on Download Bet Slip. Enter the booking code you received from your source, and click Upload. Voila! The Bet Slip is now loaded. You can select the bets and place your wager by choosing the desired stake amount. If you want to book a game yourself or convert a game you found somewhere into a booking code, it's just as simple. Assuming this is the game you want to book, click on the same place and go to Save Bet Slip. You'll find your booking code there. That's it! That's how you generate a booking code and load it into the 1xBT app. Thank you so much for watching this video and for your continued support. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to stay up to date with the latest information on 1xBT, the ultimate platform in the world of betting. Also, don't forget to fund your accounts. The links will be active very soon, and we have plenty of winning games in stock. Subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Good luck, and have a fantastic day ahead.